So if you want a spell to really take hold and work, the best thing to do is to map out your spell in steps. I often call this an itinerary. There's several scenarios where this can happen, and we're not talking about something that is a little bit of magic. You're trying to boost something like a little raise at work or something. We're talking about long-term goals. So let's say, for example, you want to be a lawyer. You want to be a lawyer, and you're working a regular. You're just let's say you're working in a burger joint. That's fine. And you're like, I want to be a lawyer. You don't just light a candle a nice green candle, which of course would bring you more money, or a brown one, which is about legal work, and say, make me a lawyer. No, you would need to dissect all the things you need to do to go from working at the burger joint to becoming a lawyer. So the first thing, I'm assuming, if you haven't been to college, you need to go to college. So the first spell should be a little bit of money drawing. I would do some money drawing work to get you the financing you need for school. Whether it be through you get grants, maybe you would use, if you're going for a grant or loan, maybe Crown of Success oil, do a success spell to get the money you need to actually go to college. Maybe you would use this success work, purple candles and things to make sure you do well in college. And then, of course, you're going to be doing that the entire time you're there. Success, it could be focus spells, but all of these are connected. They're not. Some people will just light candles or however they do their magic, and oh, that didn't work. I'll do another one. I'll do another one. This is a long-term plan. This is a giant spell mapped out to have compartments, to have phases that you go through. So maybe all through college, you're doing success work, concentration spells, willpower, things like that. Then you're going to have to go to law school, and you're going to have to get in law school. So you're doing more success work. You're also doing more money work. Get the money for that. So you're going through all that. And when you reach the end of that, you need to pass the bar exam. So we're doing more success work. We're doing concentration. I would also use a little bit of aromatherapeutic help, where clove is good for memory. Use that when you do your studying. Maybe you're going to put some clove on that spell candle that is for success. Have it burning while you're studying. So you see there's steps and steps and steps and steps. This could go forever. Love work. Someone lights a candle for, I want so-and-so to fall in love with me, but you've never really had a conversation. So how about we do this and map it out and give it an itinerary of what leads from introduction all the way up to love. Maybe you'll do something like a little bit of glamour first, a little bit of glamour magic. Have the person notice you. Of course, you have to do the real world work too. You can't show up with your hair not washed in a week in sweats. Hey, give yourself some glamour. But then do glamour work to say, this person's going to notice me. And then maybe you'll do some communication work, communication spell work. Next step, this person starts talking to me more. Then maybe you'll move into seduction work, or come to me. Like, come to me will probably be better next. Like, you want to start hanging around me more. You want to be in my company more. Then maybe the seduction work comes in. We're going to take it a step even further, where you begin to feel sexual energy and heat when you're around me. You not only want to be around me for intellectual reasons and conversation, and because it feels good to be together, you're now attracted to me. And then you hit it with the love work. So you see that as steps, a map, an itinerary to reach the point of Number one, I've never had the nerve to talk to you, but I'm gonna do a love spell, and you're gonna fall madly in love with me. Probably not gonna work, but if you take those little steps, which life is full of steps, and people want to skip the steps most of the time because they're impatient and sometimes greedy, and usually get what they want that way. So that is the topic. That is how you actually map out your spell work as an itinerary in order to get what you want and to make a spell more powerful. So, and of course, if you need any supplies for that, Aromages Botanica, AROMAGS.com. And one little example to go, I'll leave you with protection work, a little bit of evil eye. Okay. Protection work also involves putting in a camera system, locking your door at night. Um, it's all the little steps that lead it up to success.